You buy the Quiet Blender for early smoothies, then it hogs the counter and still wakes the kitchen. The wrong pick turns one job into scraping blades, tiny batches, or wasted accessories. So I'm counting down to the one I'd actually buy. Match capacity to servings, footprint to counters, and cleaning tolerance to blade design. Check prices before buying. Let's move. Number 5. Beast GO Cordless. Want a blender for the office, not your whole kitchen? I'd pick the Beast only for single-serving smoothies away from an outlet. It's portable, personal, and cordless, which is the whole point here. The standout is noise comfort, with the highest supplied noise score in this 5-product group. That makes sense if you're blending near coworkers or gym bags. But the trade-off is real. Its 150W setup is for quick drinks, not full-size kitchen work. Ice is the headache, because crushing it can mean forceful shaking. Cleanup can also feel fiddly in the small vessel. Skip it if you need hot blending, multiple servings, or easy frozen drinks. Number 4. Black+Decker Quiet Blender with Cyclone Glass Jar. This is the budget full-size pick I'd consider when smoothies matter most. You get a 48-ounce glass main jar for normal kitchen batches. You also get a 24-ounce personal jar for taking one drink with you. So it's useful for a small household that hates buying extra cups. The trade-off is the ceiling. Its 900W motor and lower build quality score put it below the sturdier picks. Ice is also not its best lane, so don't buy it for frozen drink nights. I treat it as a quieter, everyday blender, not a workhorse. Skip it if you want premium feel, frequent ice crushing, or long-term upgrade confidence. Number 3. Ninja Professional Plus Blender Duo with Auto IQ. Here, the story shifts from quiet value to frozen drink capacity. I'd pick the Ninja for parties, smoothie routines, and people who want one pitcher plus one travel jar. The 72-ounce main pitcher is the big reason. That's the best fit here for larger batches. The 24-ounce personal jar and to-go lid keep weekday smoothies simple. The trade-off is versatility. It has 1200W power, but no hot blending support. The sharp blade design can also make hand cleaning annoying. Dishwasher-safe parts help, but I'd still respect those blades. Skip it if hot blending matters, or if you want the smoothest, big fibrous batches. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Blender. If noise is your main problem, this is the clever middle ground. I'd pick it for smoothie-focused buyers who usually blend for 1 or 2 people. The noise dome is the proof point. It helps make this the strongest full-size quiet play in this group. But capacity is the catch, because the jar is 32 ounce. That's fine for daily smoothies, but tight for batch prep. The other catch is workflow. Tough mixtures may need the tamper, and using it means removing the dome. So the quiet advantage shrinks right when the job gets harder. Skip it if you serve a crowd, or if thick blends are your usual routine. Number 1. Vitamix Ascent X5. This is the one I'd buy if the blender has to handle almost everything. It fits the buyer who makes smoothies, ice, thick blends, and hot blends. The 48-ounce jar is enough for regular home cooking without feeling gigantic. The real reason it's here is range. It has 1440W power, hot blending support, program options, and fine speed control. So it asks for a premium budget, but gives you the widest workflow. Now the trade-off is size and sound. It's full-size, non-portable, and still not unobtrusive during use. Skip it if you need the smallest footprint or just want a cordless smoothie cup. For everyone else, it's the cleanest pick. Here's the shortcut. Beast is for portable single servings. Black+Decker is the cheap smoothie lane. Ninja is the batch and ice pick. Hamilton Beach is the quiet dome pick for smaller servings. Vitamix is the premium do-most blender I'd build around. Before you buy, picture your real week. Count servings first, then counter space, then clean up patience. If you hate scrubbing blades, accessories matter less than easy washing. So, Beast for portable quiet, Ninja for ice, and Hamilton Beach for small quiet batches. Vitamix is the best overall fit. If you're choosing today, links are in the description.